Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today we're diving deep into the brand new Aston Martin Vantage Roadster, a car that combines British elegance with raw performance. The Vantage Roadster isn't just about wind in your hair driving a broken bar, it's about experiencing Aston Martin's heritage in its purest, most emotional form. Let's see what makes this beauty so special. The Vantage Roadster takes everything we love about the coupe and makes it even more dramatic. The low-slung stance, wide haunches, and aggressive front grille give it that unmistakable Aston presence. For the Roadster features sharper LED headlights, a resculpted front bumper for better aero, and new lightweight alloy designs. With the roof down, it transforms from a refined Grand Tourer into a true open-air sports car. The soft top folds away in just 7 seconds, one of the fastest mechanisms in the segment, and you can even operate it at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. Inside, Aston Martin has really stepped up its game. The cabin blends with hand-stitched leather, real metal trims, and carbon fiber accents, everything feels bespoke. For the infotainment system is powered by Aston's latest Mercedes-Benz partnership software, offering a crisp 10.25-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. You also get a fully digital driver's display, premium Bowers Wilkins audio, and optional heated and ventilated sport seats. But let's be honest, the best soundtrack here is the V8 up front. Now, let's talk about performance. At the heart of the Vantage Roadster, under the hood sits a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out 656 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this convertible from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. With a top speed of 202 miles per hour, a roof up or down, power is sent to the rear wheels through a lightning-quick 8-speed automatic, with adaptive suspension and an electronic limited-slip differential keeping everything in check. The Roadster feels alive on the road. The steering is precise, the chassis is playful yet balanced, and the suspension strikes the perfect mix between comfort and performance. Roof down, you're even more connected to the car. The sound, the speed, the sensations, it's a visceral driving experience that few cars in this class can match. It's not just fast, it's emotional. Of course, practicality isn't the Vantage Roadster's strongest suit, but Aston has made sure it's not just a weekend toy. There's enough trunk space for a couple of weekend bags, and the ride in GT mode is smooth enough for longer journeys. Aston has also added modern driver assistance features like adaptive cruise, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making the Roadster easier to live with day to day. The Aston Martin Vantage Roadster starts around $165,000, but with options, most buyers will see closer to $190,000. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. The Vantage Roadster isn't just about numbers, it's about an experience. It's about that blend of performance, craftsmanship, and pure driving emotion that only Aston Martin can deliver. If you're looking for a convertible that's as thrilling as it is beautiful, this is it. The 2026 Vantage Roadster. Thanks for watching this review of the Aston Martin Vantage Roadster. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you take the Vantage Roadster over rivals like the Porsche 911 Cabriolet or Jaguar F-Type R convertible? I'll see you in the next one.